Hello, financial guardians. Welcome back to our channel Snap Savings, your fortress of financial wisdom. Today, we're diving into a topic that concerns us all: financial scams and frauds, how to protect yourself. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your financial journey, stay tuned as we unravel the tactics of scammers and equip you with the tools to defend your hard-earned money. Rule number 1: the landscape of financial scams, recognizing the threats. Let's start by understanding the lay of the land. In this segment, we'll explore the vast landscape of financial scams, from phishing emails to Ponzi schemes. Get ready to recognize the red flags and fortify your defenses. Mike's narrow escape. Meet Mike, who narrowly escaped a phishing scam. How did Mike strategically identify the scam and protect his sensitive information? Stay tuned for insights that could save you from falling into the same trap. Let's understand, how did Mike strategically identify the phishing scam? Mike scrutinized the email for spelling errors, checked the sender's email address, and verified the legitimacy of the request through a trusted channel. This strategic approach not only saved him from potential identity theft but also empowered him to share his story as a cautionary tale. Rule number 2: social engineering tactics, guarding against manipulation. Scammers are crafty manipulators, and social engineering is their tool of choice. In this segment, we'll delve into social engineering tactics, helping you build a shield against emotional manipulation and deceit. Emily's resilience. Imagine Emily, who stood resilient against a social engineering ploy. How did Emily strategically navigate the emotional manipulation, and what lessons can we learn for our own defense? Stay tuned for the empowering story of Emily's resilience. How did Emily strategically navigate social engineering? Emily questioned unexpected requests, sought advice from trusted friends, and refused to succumb to emotional pressure. This strategic approach not only protected her from falling victim but also fortified her emotional defenses against future manipulative attempts. Rule number 3: investment scams, identifying and avoiding pitfalls. Investment scams come in various disguises, preying on our financial aspirations. In this segment, we'll dissect common investment scams, arming you with the knowledge to distinguish between legitimate opportunities and fraudulent schemes. Alex's due diligence. Meet Alex, the vigilant investor who conducted due diligence. How did Alex strategically research an investment opportunity and avoid a potential scam? Stay tuned for the strategic insights that kept Alex's investments safe. Let's dig into, how did Alex strategically conduct due diligence? Alex researched the investment opportunity, checked the credentials of the company, and consulted financial experts before making a decision. This strategic approach not only safeguarded Alex's investments but also empowered him to make informed financial choices. Rule number 4: online shopping scams, ensuring safe transactions. The convenience of online shopping comes with its own set of risks. In this segment, we'll explore online shopping scams and provide you with practical tips to ensure safe transactions in the digital marketplace. Sarah's secure shopping routine. Imagine Sarah, who established a secure online shopping routine. How did Sarah strategically protect her financial information while enjoying the convenience of e-commerce? Stay tuned for insights that can enhance your online shopping security. How did Sarah strategically protect her financial information during online shopping? Sarah used secure payment methods, checked for website encryption, and kept her devices updated with the latest security patches. This strategic approach not only ensured safe transactions but also instilled confidence in her online shopping experience. Rule number 5: identity theft, guarding your personal information. Identity theft is a formidable threat, with scammers seeking to exploit your personal information. In this segment, we'll delve into strategies to prevent identity theft and secure your sensitive data. Chris's proactive identity protection. Meet Chris, the proactive individual who took steps to protect his identity. How did Chris strategically guard his personal information against potential theft, and what lessons can we learn for our own identity protection? Stay tuned for Chris's strategic insights. Let's explore, how did Chris strategically protect his identity. Chris monitored his credit reports regularly, used strong and unique passwords, and implemented two-factor authentication. This strategic approach not only fortified his defenses against identity theft but also empowered him to detect and respond to potential threats in a timely manner. Rule number 6: recognizing government impersonation scams, verifying legitimacy. Government impersonation scams are on the rise, preying on our trust in official institutions. In this segment, we'll explore tactics used by scammers and equip you with strategies to verify the legitimacy of government-related communications. Olivia's skepticism. Imagine Olivia, who approached government communications with skepticism. How did Olivia strategically verify the legitimacy of a government-related message and avoid falling victim to impersonation? Keep watching for Olivia's strategic approach. How did Olivia strategically verify government communications? Olivia cross-referenced the information, contacted official government channels independently, and avoided sharing sensitive information without proper verification. This strategic approach not only protected her from potential scams but also contributed to raising awareness about government impersonation tactics. Rule number 7: reporting scams contributing to collective safety. Reporting scams isn't just about protecting yourself, it's a collective effort for a safer financial landscape. In this segment, we'll explore the importance of reporting scams and how you can contribute to the collective safety of the community. Max's civic responsibility. Meet Max, the responsible citizen who reported a scam. How did Max strategically contribute to the collective safety of the community, and what lessons can we learn for our own civic responsibility? Stay tuned for Max's strategic insights. Let's understand how did Max strategically contribute to the collective safety. Max reported the scam to relevant authorities, shared his experience on community forums, and encouraged others to stay vigilant. This strategic approach not only protected individuals from falling victim to the same scam but also strengthened the collective defense against fraudulent activities. Rule number 8: educating others, creating a ripple effect. Education is our strongest weapon against scams. In this segment, we'll explore the power of financial education and how you can play a role in creating a ripple effect, safeguarding not only yourself but also those around you. Jessica's advocacy. Imagine Jessica, the advocate for financial education. How did Jessica strategically promote financial literacy and create a ripple effect within her community, and what lessons can we learn for our own educational initiatives? Let's explore Jessica's strategic advocacy. How did Jessica strategically promote financial education? Jessica organized workshops, shared informative content on social media, and encouraged open discussions about financial scams. This strategic approach not only empowered individuals with knowledge but also contributed to building a more informed and vigilant community. Rule number 9: emerging threats, staying ahead of the curve. As technology evolves, so do the tactics of scammers. In this segment, we'll explore emerging threats in the world of financial scams and how staying ahead of the curve is crucial to maintaining your financial fortress. Michael's adaptive defense. Meet Michael, who strategically adapted to emerging threats. How did Michael stay ahead of the curve and adjust his defenses to new scam tactics, and what insights can we glean for our own adaptive strategies? Keep watching for Michael's strategic defense. How did Michael strategically adapt to emerging threats? Michael stayed informed about new scam tactics, updated his cybersecurity measures regularly, and sought guidance from cybersecurity experts. This strategic approach not only protected him from evolving threats but also positioned him as a resilient defender against emerging scams. Rule number 10: cybersecurity best practices, fortifying your digital fortress. In our digital age, cybersecurity is paramount. In this final segment, we'll explore essential cybersecurity best practices to fortify your digital fortress. From protecting your devices to securing your online accounts, these strategies will serve as the ultimate defense against cyber threats. Ryan's ironclad cybersecurity. Meet Ryan, the cybersecurity enthusiast who implemented ironclad defenses. How did Ryan strategically fortify his digital presence, and what insights can we gather for our own cybersecurity defense? Stay tuned for Ryan's cybersecurity mastery. Let's navigate how did Ryan strategically fortify his digital presence. Ryan implemented strong, unique passwords, enabled two-factor authentication on all his accounts, and regularly updated his antivirus software. This strategic approach not only safeguarded his digital assets but also ensured a robust defense against cyber threats in the ever-evolving online landscape. What you learn? And there you have it: financial scams and frauds, how to protect yourself unraveled. From recognizing threats to safeguarding your identity, reporting scams, and promoting financial education, you're now equipped with a comprehensive defense toolkit. Thank you for joining us at Snap Savings, where financial education meets the frontline of defense. Until next time, may your shields be strong and your financial journey secure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more profound insights into mastering your financial journey.